Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Sonali and Vikas. We are off to Kudremukh, one of the most scenic treks in the Western Ghats. Our journey began from Bangalore at 10 pm. And during the ride, our guide briefed us about the trek. By 5 am, we reached the base, took a jeep to the campsite, freshened up, and packed essentials, had breakfast, and got ready. Now, let's begin the trek.
Welcome to
to
Kudremukh.
Kudremukh. Hi everyone. So we are at the trek starting point. Let me just show you the check post. So this is where all our ID cards will be checked. And this is actually the starting point of the trek. Alright guys, we have started the trekking. There, that is the check post. And we have just started from here. You can see our group is already hiking. So the time is 9:15 right now. So let's see how much time it will take us to reach the top. So we have been told that there are leeches also. So we have been extra careful this time. We are traveling inside the dense forest right now.
With our permits checked and energy high, we begin the trek. The initial trail winds through dense forests filled with sound of chirping birds and rusting leaves. The morning air and the occasional water streams make this part of the trail refreshing.
So we are approaching the first stream crossing.
Hey everyone, did you know that Kudremukh literally means horse's face in Kannada? It gets its name from the unique shape of its peak, which looks like a horse's face when you see it from distance. Pretty cool, right? This stunning place is located in the Chikmagalur district of Karnataka, and it's a part of UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is famous for its incredible biodiversity, those endless rolling green hills, and crystal clear streams that you will find all along the way. The trek itself is about 20 kilometers round trip. And trust me, it takes you through some of the most breathtaking landscape. Imagine walking through lush forest, crossing streams, and being surrounded by nature at its absolute best. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Well, it's real. It's waiting for you. Our journey to Kudremukh began with seamless booking through Trilovelia, who assigned Antariksha as our tour guide. The adventure kicked off on Friday night with multiple pickup points across Bangalore, about 4 to 5 stops in total. Since bus seats were first come first served, it's always a good idea to be early. At 10 pm, we officially hit the road, leaving behind the city lights for the lush green landscape awaiting us. The overnight journey was smooth, and by 5 am, we arrived at Kudremukh, greeted by the fresh morning breeze and misty hills.
मेरे को तो सारा ट्रैकिंग अच्छा लगता है एंड कुद्रेमुख इज़ माई वन ऑफ द फेवरेट नॉट वन ऑफ द फेवरेट मोस्ट फेवरेट ट्रैक है ये मेरा तो आई एम ऑलवेज हैप्पी कमिंग हियर आई कैन कम 100 times आई वोंट माइंड
After reaching to Kudremukh, from there, the real thrill began. We hopped onto jeeps, navigating through rugged terrains to reach the base location. Here we had time to refresh, change into a trekking gear, and pack essentials for journey ahead. Kudremukh was once a major iron ore mining hub, but now it's a protected area. The first part of the trek is relatively easy, with a gradual incline. You will pass through lush green meadows, small streams, and dense forests. The weather here is unpredictable, so be prepared for sudden rain or sunshine.
So this is the second stream crossing. Guys, let me show you the view from here itself. It's only 30 minutes since we started trekking. Look at the views. This is the third water crossing.
Kudremukh trek is extra special because of many small streams and water crossings you will encounter along the way. These are really beautiful and make the trek even more enjoyable.
Alright, we have one more river crossing here. This is a small stream. We have so many river crossings here. And you can see so many people are coming over there. Alright guys, we have completed around 25% of the trek, and you can see the landscape has changed completely from dense forest, streams, and now we are entering into the grasslands. The grass is almost tall as 3 feet.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemical.
As you move further, the trail gets steeper and more challenging. But trust me, the view along the way make every step worth it. You will cross multiple streams, and if you are lucky, you might even spot some wildlife like deer or peacocks.
So we are at the stream crossing, guys. Let me show you.
Carry enough water and snacks and wear a proper trekking shoes. The terrain can get slippery, especially during the monsoon season. But don't worry, the thrill of reaching the top will keep you going.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher.
Guys, we are almost halfway
The
through.
night's
Let me show
young
you the views from here.
and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running.
देखिए गाइस लोगों का एंथू टू क्लाइम
Every shot from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed.
दिस पॉइंट इज लिटिल बिट स्टीप यहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा सा टफ लग सकता है
We have almost reached the halfway point, and everybody is so tired right now.
सो वी हैव टू टेक अ पिट स्टॉप
So we'll take rest for 5-10 minutes and we'll
Yes.
start again.
इट इज लिटिल टफ बट फॉर दिस व्यू it is worth to trek. Guys, Kudremukh is the second highest peak after Mullyanagiri. Kudremukh is not an easy trek. I can say it is moderate to hard level trek, but the view is very beautiful, guys. If you will see, there is no tree in between, and this is the only tree which will show you that you have completed your halfway point. People are taking break, people are taking pit stop, they are having snacks to boost themselves for the rest of the trek. It is only halfway which we have completed till now, and we have to go till there, guys. So it's total 22 kilometer trek, 11 kilometer one way. So we have only covered 5.5 kilometer. That's it. We have to cover remaining 5.5 kilometer.
Hi guys, so we have reached the halfway point and you can see so many people are resting here.
We are having cake.
So another halfway to go. Everybody is already exhausted. Let's see how much time more it will take.
The higher we go, the better the views. We see amazing scenery and the beautiful landscapes. Every step shows us something new and exciting.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
From this point, we can see the entire Kudremukh range. It's a breathtaking sight. This is the last challenging part, but the view makes it all worthwhile. If you love adventure and trekking, this is the must-try experience.
बस लास्ट स्ट्रेच बचा है 1 किलोमीटर और व्यू देखिए गाइस.
Hi everyone. So we have almost reached the top. That is the peak over there. You can see.
And we are very tired.
Fully exhausted. But the views are awesome. Let me show you the views from here.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals.
As we are at our last stretch to the peak. There's the peak. We're fully exhausted.
Yeah, too tiring. It's not at all easy trek.
It is one of the difficult treks. We will reach the peak in next 5 minutes and I'll show you the views from there. Stay tuned.
From
As well, yes, we have reached the top of Kudremukh. Let me show you the views from here.
we are inside cloud, guys. This is so beautiful. Jannat.
After about 3 to 4 hours of trekking, you will finally reach the summit. And let me tell you, the view from the top is absolutely surreal. You will feel like you are on the top of the world, surrounded by endless green hills and clouds floating below you. This is what we came for. The Kudremukh peak stands at 6,000 feet. It is a perfect spot to relax, take some amazing photos, and appreciate the beauty of the nature.
Hi guys, finally we did it. Welcome to Kudremukh.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine.
Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips for your Kudremukh trek. Start early to avoid the afternoon sun. Carry rain gear. Wear sturdy trekking shoes. Don't forget your camera. The views are unforgettable. And most importantly, respect nature and follow the guidelines. Thanks for watching.